In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Udemy. Whether you're looking to develop new skills, hone the ones you already have, or just explore something new, subscribing to Udemy can be a fantastic step forward in your educational journey. Let's walk through this process together so you can start accessing a world of learning opportunities. To begin, ensure you are logged into your Udemy account. This will allow you to access your personal dashboard. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice the dashboard is designed to give you quick access to all the essential areas you might need, including your courses, payment details, and, importantly, subscription options. Next, hover your cursor over the Subscriptions area on your dashboard. This is where you can view the subscription plans available to you, catering to various needs and budgets. It's a good idea to take a moment to consider what you're hoping to achieve with Udemy. Whether you want unlimited access over a year or prefer the flexibility of month to month, understanding your goals will help you make the best decision. Once you've hovered over and located the subscriptions option, you'll want to focus on the subscribe button for the personal plan. Clicking this will set the wheels in motion for your subscription process. Don't worry if it feels a little daunting. It's quite straightforward and user-friendly. After clicking the subscription button, you'll be directed to the payment method page. This is an important step, as it's where you'll decide whether you're going for a yearly subscription or opting to pay monthly. Each option has its own benefits. A yearly subscription often comes with a discount, while a monthly plan can offer more flexibility. Take a moment to weigh these options based on your personal circumstances. Now, if you've decided on a yearly or monthly plan, it's time to fill in your bank details. Udemy takes care to ensure a secure transaction process, but it's always a good practice to double-check your information. Make sure everything is entered correctly to avoid any hiccups. As you arrange your payment details, take a moment to review your plan choice one last time. Confirm that your selected plan matches your learning needs and budget. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, simply click Start Subscription. And there you have it. You're now a subscriber to Udemy with access to a multitude of courses that you can dive into right away. Remember, exploring courses, learning at your own pace, and expanding your skills is what Udemy is all about. Enjoy your journey and happy learning.